Hi, welcome to my lifelong journey map. My name is Ryan Haymore. This is the final assignment for the University 301 class, part of the General Education program at the University of Arizona. This will kind of lay forth the plans and goals I have on my lifelong journey in the years to come. There it is. So, first destination that I hope to have is to complete my honors thesis. This is an academic goal, and it would require first. I actually have already found a mentor for my honors thesis, and I'm starting it this semester. I just need to submit the IRB application in order to work with patients, or really just human subjects. So it'll be like interviews and surveys that I want to do for collecting data and things like that. And then, so yeah, I'll have to collect the survey and interview data. And then, of course, the final project presentation, I have to put that all together. And I'm hoping to present my research maybe at a future honors pinnacle or other venues that I can practice that and really make the most of this honors thesis project. And then I hope to not just in there, but reflect and plan for the future of maybe future projects and things that I can do that are similar to an honors thesis. Destination number 2 is mastering a third language. So I'm taking my first class at the University of Arizona in Portuguese. I already can speak Spanish fluently, and so my personal goal is to develop this third language, which is very similar to Spanish, so it's coming fast. And it's been pretty easy to learn the grammar and things like that because of its similarities with Spanish. But I want to get a lot better at reading, listening, speaking Portuguese. I want to do a study abroad in Brazil in order to really solidify my understanding of the language, get to know the culture there. And then I want to find opportunities to translate in Portuguese, just as I've done with Mexico. Here, I've had the chance with health clinics to translate in Spanish. And then I want to do the same in Portuguese to find ways I can serve others learning this next language, and then continue expanding my vocabulary as I go on in the future of my life. Destination 3 is getting accepted into an MD PhD program. So I'm hoping to stay here at the University of Arizona, apply through the Honors College. That's a professional goal that I have. So one thing I'll definitely need to do is score very highly on the MCAT. I have to demonstrate leadership through organizations I'm in. I'm actually applying currently to be a president of a pre-health club. I need to accumulate more community service, research, and clinical observation hours. And then for the actual application part, I need to write the personal statement, all the essays that are required, make sure those are reviewed and edited, and then thoroughly prepare for the interview stage. I know that's a big part of the applications, so I got to make sure I'm prepared for that. Destination 4 on my lifelong journey map is to achieve academic and research success. So during my postgraduate education. So this most likely hopefully will be an MD or possibly PhD program. This is an academic goal, so I want to pursue those same high goals that I've had for myself all through high school and college. I need to pass the STEP exams. If I get accepted into College of Medicine, I have to do my own studies, especially if I'm doing a PhD, prepare for my dissertation. I want to be able to earn authorship on multiple scientific publications. I've yet to do that with my undergraduate research, so I'm hoping to get my first soon, but I want to definitely do that postgraduate. And then I also want to graduate. Of course, that's a big part of it. It's a challenge and it's a long journey, but I want to be able to finish that with success. Destination number 5 is to create or join a private health clinic. So I mentioned when talking about Portuguese that I've been able to volunteer at health clinics down in Mexico. And this is a professional goal I have, is I want to be able to use that learning that I'll gain from med school, the expertise I'll have as a healthcare provider, and start a private clinic, whether locally here in Tucson or somewhere nearby. I want to be able to receive sufficient grant money to fund my research as well. So it will be a physician scientist kind of clinic where I'll be doing research studies on the patients that come into my clinic. I got to develop a clientele for that. And I want to learn from others, get some shadowing experience from how others have started, a whole new clinic and things like that. Rather than just working for someone else, I want to be able to start my own clinic and improve day after day, month after month, never settle for how I'm doing. I just want to seek ways to expand, to grow, and to be able to help the lives of as many as I can. And my final destination on this lifelong journey map is to become a true global citizen that can make a meaningful impact in diverse communities as a physician scientist. So that goes in line with pretty much all the other goals that I have, academically, professionally, personally. I want to be able to learn new languages, learn about different cultures, be able to, understand and find new perspectives that people have, to be that true global citizen, serve the communities within my reach, and then also pursue, as I mentioned, additional languages. And then a big part of that to me is, I think, raising a family, being able to teach my children to also contribute, to be contributing members of society. And then I hope to reflect and record on those meaningful experiences. This class has been really helpful in, kind of developing those habits that are really important to continue improving, have that critical thinking of self-reflection, as that's what I hope to do. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day.